How to stream on Kick from mobile. Hey guys, let's get started. Kick is nothing but a live streaming platform where you can create live videos for people to watch in real time. So if you want to stream using the mobile application, here's the step. First of all, you can do live streaming on Kick using your mobile phone using this application called Streamlabs. Once you get the Streamlab, make sure to enable the microphone and camera if you want to stream from your mobile. Then after go to settings. For that, click on the three dots or three horizontal lines at the top right of your Kick application. Then you have to select on settings and hit on account settings. It will now open another page. From there, you have to select on custom RTMP. Hereby input a particular name like Kick, give your streaming URL that you had created, give your streaming key that you got from Kick Creator dashboard, then hit the save button. Once this is done, you can go live from comfort of your mobile. But before that, you have to add stream category and title on the Kick website. After that, tap on go live and you're good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.